Okay, we're opening a present from Grandma Fulcher. What is it? Oh, awesome!
Heart stickers.
Look at all those stickers. Holy moly!
Heart stickers. Smiley face. Smiley face.
And what about you, Dory?
Yeah! What is it, Dory? Yeah, the eye stickers.
Oh! Look at all those stickers! Dory, did you see this? Who's that?
My God, Chappy.
It's strawberry shortcake, just like your socks.
Could I see strawberry? No. Ooh. No. Strawberry.
Oh, neat. What do you guys say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you.
Say it again, Will.
Thank you.
I love you. Okay, Dory, your turn. Say it again.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.